In this video, I will show how to rotate page in Canva. So guys, if you want to resize and change dimensions in Canva, so very easy and simple way. So very easy and simple way. Click on this resize and click on custom size. So we can see it's 90/20 1080. So we need to make changes here. 1080 and 90/20 as a height. Click on continue. You can use any option from here. Copy and resize or resize this design. So now we can see simply easily we change dimensions for this Canva page. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.